Hey guys, I'm on the Carnival Dream and we're docked in Falmouth, Jamaica. We're fixing to get off and walk around the port, so I thought I'd take the camera around and just share it with you. So, hey, let's get off and check out this port.
Guys, for the time.
Well, yeah, here we are, Falmouth, Jamaica. Oh, that's the Oasis of the Seas. I see it now. It's one of the big ones. A big craft mall right here. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little port walking tour here in Falmouth, Jamaica. Now this is the third time I've been to Jamaica, but this is the first time I've been to Falmouth. I've been to Montego Bay twice, and I have to say there's no comparison. Falmouth is just, it's beautiful. It's very clean, lots of shops, good places to sit down, have a drink, get something to eat. The vendors are not pushy. So I would say if you're coming to Falmouth and you're not taking an excursion, I'd recommend you at least get off the ship and walk around and see the port. Hey, if this little video helped you out, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy cruising.